Kailangan mo ba ng photoshoot or proposal venue? I got you! Tara, let's sa Hacienda Isabela! This is the perfect photoshoot and proposal spot. Siya na lang yung kulang. This is a real-life Pinterest board. No need na pumunta ka pa ng Batangas. Dito lang yan sa Barangay Nagsinamo, Lucban, Quezon. At hindi lang perfect views and sunset ang ino-offer nila. Meron din silang live animal encounters. Meet Oshi. First time ko makakita ng deer. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Tara! Not only that, may duck feeding din sila habang nakasakay ng crystal kayak. Perfecto sa mga bagets and young at hearts. Meron din silang kabayo, birds, at kung ano-ano pa. Nag-exercise at nag-enjoy din ako sa paglalaro ng giant chess. Hindi mawawala ang photo op at lahat ng area Instagrammable. They also make sure na hindi crowded yung plates. Kaya kailangan mo munang magpabook before you go. Madalang silang magtanggap ng walk-in, especially kung madami kayo. Yes, may swimming pool sila pero not for public use. Entrance is 230 on weekdays and 300 on weekends. Para naman sa pictorial, 5 person, 10,000, either morning or afternoon session ka. They have buko juice, 80 pesos lang. And for lunch, pwede kayong magdala, wala namang charge. Or pwede kayong magpa-deliver doon sa mga fast food sa Bypass, Lucban. Whether you're here for a date, content, or a special moment, perfect lahat ng spots. Coming soon yung kanilang chapel for private wedding and then yung pavilion, and also magkakaroon din sila ng cafe in the future. Saving the best for last with the majestic Mount Banahaw during sunset. Para kang nasa painting. Sobrang ganda. I hope nag-enjoy kayo cause every story gets better when shared. Tata! Tara na sa Hacienda Isabela. Perfect sunset, I got you!